If you make a plan, you got to stick to the plan. Today, I'm going to show you guys a trade that I made over $2,000 on. The thing about this trade is I was up $1,000. Everybody in the live stream was like, take profit, take profit, take profit. And I said, no, I'm not taking profit until I hit my target, all right? I'm not taking profit until my target is hit. And well, I'm going to show you guys exactly the setup, how it all went down, talk more about it right here in this video. So let's go. Starting to squeeze here, 15s. I bought one contract here just to get that little squeeze up. See if we can push about the 15s here. Moving my stop to basically break even now. See if we can ride this momentum above the 20s. If we're gonna get that just big boner candle at open. And I'm gonna take it off right there at the 15s, kind of slowing down already. So now we'll look for that better pullback. Now I'm just battling it out. The bears, the bulls, who will win? Is there a boner candle coming? Let's see. I think over 20 again. Maybe get a push up above the 25s, 30 level. Let's see if we can get this push up here above the 25s. News at 10 a.m. So we got about 18 minutes till the news comes out. And looking if we're going to push through that 23 level next. 23 being the high so far. Like to see 26s here. Market trying to push through this 20s. Sitting there at that resistance. We're basically break even on this trade either way. So let's see if we can get that push. Need that risk to reward. Can't just take profit early. And it might get stopped out here. Let's see, 15s. As you can see, during this trade, I went from being up $1,000 to almost break even, almost getting stopped out on the trade. But I stuck to my guns. I stuck to the plan, and I looked for that profit to come, right? There's no reason in me getting out early. There's no reason in me taking profit early. Like, there's just no reason, right? If I have a trade that I think I can make $2,000 on, why would I take profit at $1,000? I'm not going to do it. Like, I'm going to stick to my trade. I'm going to stick to my plan. Let's see how it turned out. Trying to push 20s again. We need to go through this move here. Need to push, push, push. Push, 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 push. If we're going to do it. Trying to push through the 20s. Will she go? Up there are the 22s now. And looking for a 25 fill. Getting filled there at the 25s. Beautiful $2,000 trade. Let's fucking go, boys. Whee! That's how we fucking do it right there. All right. All right. Thank you very much. Come again. This is the simplest strategy you could ever possibly use when it comes to day trading. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than this, guys. What were we looking for? We talked about it at open. We were looking for that pullback, at least pulling back to that 80 EMA, you know, at least kind of pulling back into this previous area of resistance. I mean, we talked about this entire move before it even happened pre-market. And that's the best part about it. Like, it was that simple, right? Like, we had it all mapped out, ready to go. We didn't have to do anything crazy. We just kind of waited for that setup, and that's exactly what we got. If you guys enjoy these videos, tune in 9:15 a.m. live right here on YouTube every morning trading. Today, we had a little poll during the stream. 82% of the 800 people that were watching the live stream said that they were green on the day trading futures, trading the action with us live on YouTube. So tune in 9:15 a.m. live every single morning. Got long at the, well, I got long at the 14s here, and we pushed back off that 12 level. My entry at the 14s, selling into that push above the 20s. There it is, all the way up to the 40s now. I mean, my only issue, I think, on that trade was it was a little slow to go through that 20 level. So I was like a little quicker to take profit than I should have been. But, you know, it could have hit 25 and then pulled back, but obviously it went to the moon. This is that previous area of resistance pre-market, that 14, that 10 level. And you can see that 3-minute candle. I mean, we bounced pretty much like right off of that and squeezed back up. We bounced right off that 8 EMA. And at that point, I just jumped in. I saw that momentum coming in there, jumped into the 14s. I wanted to get, I tried to buy a little bit earlier, but I got filled there at the 14s. But we kind of had like a little double bottom on the tick chart there. If you want to learn more about Top Step, you want to get into trading futures, I think there's really, obviously I might be biased here, but I would say that if you really want to get into trading futures, there's probably no better way to do it than through the Top Step program. They have the free trial. You can sign up today, start trading. I mean, you can literally go sign up right now and pretty much start trading right away. So right there, the 840s right now, trying to push up, even still going. You can see here on the book map, it's just kind of grinding. Like I said, this thing has lots of room to run still. Lesson of the day. If you have a plan, you have a trade, you see a setup, you gotta go through with it. You gotta follow through with it. You gotta let it work out. You gotta let it do its thing. And what's interesting is, yes, I took profit early. The market went up like another 20 points. So I would have made over $5,000 on that trade if I would have held a little bit longer. But always, you know, it's the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda. It is what it is. I was a little hesitant because the market didn't just push right through that level. So I was like, hey, this thing might kind of pop and then drop again. So I took profit quickly. But in general, I still took my profit where I wanted to take it at. And that's exactly what we need to do every day. Taking profit, just being consistently taking profit, making money, baby. Trading the simple setups, these very simple 3-minute setups that we trade every single day. I talk about them on the live stream. I talk about it all the time. Don't make it complicated. Don't overcomplicate trading. The hardest part of trading is knowing when not to trade, right? That's the hardest part. If you guys enjoy these videos, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.